Hello everyone, welcome back to my CrafTee World. And yes, we are here at the living room with my big box. Well, actually this box was delivered 2 weeks ago, but I did not unbox it. But earlier I pre-opened the box already and I look what is inside, because I do not remember what I ordered. I cannot remember what I ordered, so I open it and yeah, I remember now. So anyway, let's move on. I'm just gonna put my tripod more closer, and I just wanted to share with you what's in here. But because this box is so huge, look how huge the box is. Ta-da! So that's why I need to put the box down, and I'm gonna show you one at a time what's in. Oh no, that's my little table. I dropped it. Yeah, because I'm here on my living room. I have this two little table here to use to put the yarn. So let's turn our camera a little lower. Okay, I think my camera is too high. All right, so let's go get it. Yeah, I pre-opened the box already because I don't want to use our time, extra time. But ta-da! It's a huge cake of yarn. It has here. It has, this is 71% acrylic, 18% nylon, and 11% polyester. And it has 17.6 ounce or 500 grams, and in yardage it has 1059 yards. So that's how huge this is. And this is a Caron Colorama halo, and yeah, so let's see what's ooh, it's so soft. It's so soft. I like it. I love it actually. Wow. Oh, don't go anywhere. I need you. So it's so soft, and it has a kind of fiber. It's fibery. The texture is kind of fibery here, and this is what? I can't see it. Oh, it's 5 bulky. So it's a bulky yarn. So I think I'm gonna, this adjusted crochet hook is 6 millimeter, but I will definitely going to use 6.5. Yeah, I love 6.5. It's, I just like it. If not 5.5, it's 6.5. That's the sizes I always use. So let's put it back here because I don't want it to get dusty. I don't like dusts. I have an allergy with dust actually. I already have sniffles because of that dust. But anyway, like I said, I have 8 of this, but this one here, the color is, what is your color? The color is purple orchid. See, that's the purple orchid. And the next one, they're all the same yarn but different colors. So this one here is Pink Panther. So that's a Pink Panther. It keeps sticking. Okay, let's do like that. Okay, next, this one here this one is Lavender Punch. So that's how it look. I love the coloration. It's perfect. I call it perfect. Let's move this a little bit because I don't want it to fall. I am actually on my doorway. That's our door. So okay, next one is dun, 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 dun. It's here. The color name is Turquoise Dream. Oops, it's Turquoise Dream. So I love the color. I love turquoise actually. So we got that, number 4. Let's move it a little bit. Okay, that's the number 4. And the next one is, ta-da! What's the name? Royal Silver. It's Royal Silver, and that's how it look. It has a blue here, and I think this is kind of dark blue here, and then going light blue. So love it. So that's the 5th. The 6th one is ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Orange Sherbet. That's the orange sherbet. It's sherbet. And look, pretty. Actually, because I don't have a nice light, the color, that's not the real color in person actually. It's kind of, the color here is kind of avocado right here. This side here kind of avocado color, and then right here at the middle kind of lime color. So but the orange here looks like mango here, and papaya at right here. So that's how it looks like. Anyway, so that's the 6th. And the 7th is, ta-da! This is yellow grass. So yellow grass. So this here kind of lemon color at the center. It's kind of yellow. Yeah, I mean yellow. Of course it's yellow. Lemon color. Lemon, and then right here is kind of avocado color. So that's yellow grass. Yeah, it looks like grass. All right. And the last one is, ta-da! What's the name? Oops. It's Tail Royal. Right there. And that's how it looks like. So this here kind of navy blue at, no, it's royal blue at the center, and then it has silver blue right here, and then the next color is kind of powder blue like that, and then here's kind of blue green. So that's how it looks like. So that's my new yarn that I got, and I was actually going to unbox that 2 weeks ago, but I was just I am actually waiting for a new box, but I think they forgot to send it to me or they still don't have the yarn that I ordered, because it said that it's out of stock, but they're going to send me anyway, so that's why I ordered it. But I think they don't have it yet, so as soon as they got the yarn, they're gonna send it to me this fast. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video, my unboxing video for my new Caron Colorama Hello. Yeah, I love this yarn. I actually saw this on Yarnspiration. This is a Yarnspiration product, and the company called Caron, and this is their, I think it's not really new, but the packaging is new, because the old packaging they got, they only have at least 400 plus something, less than 500 yards. And yeah, so this here, I paid, this is the regular price, actually was 24.98. I think it was $24.98, and I bought it from Joann's, and Joann's gave me 20% discount, and then I also have a military discount because of my husband. My husband is Equip Yourself Life Skills, is a veteran, so he's a former Marines, so that's why I got 15% discount from this. So total I only paid 17 something each, so just calculate it, 17 point something times 8 equals this is. So anyway, thank you so much everyone. I know I have a lot of unboxing, and I've been hoarding yarn, and I've never shown you anything that I made. But if you have a chance to watch my live, I actually did a live that I am crocheting. This one here, if you can see this here, that is one of the project that I just finished 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I finished this 2 weeks ago, and I have here, oh, I cannot grab it, it's too far from me, but if you give me some time, I'm gonna get it for y'all, because it's almost done. It's too hot. I cannot crochet when it's too hot, because I get hot so much and the yarn keeps sticking on my fingers. So just for a moment, I'm gonna show y'all. Here we go. So this is what I was doing. This is my cardigan. It's a hooded cardigan. Actually, I still have my yarn here. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I am here on edging. I'm putting edging right here. But yeah, I have the hood on, and yeah, it's just so hard. So this is my Lion brand Kobo. It's a combination of cotton and bamboo. Yeah, bamboo, cotton yarn and bamboo. So that's the combination of it, and it has a hood right here, if you can see. That's the hood that I made for that, and it's gonna have a, right here I'm gonna put a sleeve, so it's gonna be it has a long sleeve here for sure. So that's my cardigan that I am trying to make, and I did not measure it yet. But it's kind of long. I am 5 foot tall, and this here so far, because of I'm still adding edging here, it's down to my knees, so that's how long it is. So anyway, this is what I'm doing, and I also have another one that's making another cardigan, but I think, oh, I'm gonna show you, actually it's right here. because it's too hot, I decided to make another one. Oh, because right here. So it's gonna be a cardigan as well. So that's what I'm doing. If you remember, this is one of the yarn that I unboxed. I think it was the first month or the second month of the year. So this is also from Joanne, if I'm not mistaken. It is also came from Yarn Inspiration. It's red heart yarn rainbow. So this is the red heart yarn rainbow that I'm making, and I am using a 3mm crochet hook. The suggested crochet hook for this is 2.75mm. I am using 3mm. So yeah, so this is what I am doing, and it's gonna be done. If it's not too hot, it's gonna be done very, very soon. So anyway, this is my third time to say thank you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.